Hello, and welcome to AstriHost. In this video, I'm talking about Spectra for WordPress and will guide you through the installation and setup process. Spectra is designed with beginners in mind and seamlessly enhances the default WordPress block editor, offering unparalleled speed, stability, and security. Featuring a vast library of over 100 pre-built templates, each just a click away, Spectra allows you to unleash your creativity with complete design freedom. Whether you're building blogs, portfolios, e-commerce sites, or catering to niche industries like health, fitness, or hospitality, Spectra's unmatched performance ensures blazing fast load times, impeccable SEO scores, and a frustration-free editing experience. To install the Pro version, you will need to have the Spectra plugin installed. Now that you have the Spectra plugin installed, let's get started with the installation of the Pro version. From the WordPress dashboard, start by highlighting the Plugins option and select Add New Plugin. Choose the Upload Plugin button. Click on Choose File and select the Spectra Pro zip file that you've downloaded. Once selected, click on Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. After installation, click on Activate Plugin. Spectra Pro is now installed and ready to use. You'll be directed to Spectra's license page upon activation. Enter your license key. You can find it in the welcome email. And click Activate. You should now see Licensed at the top right of the screen, indicating that Spectra Pro is successfully activated. Now you can set up and customize Spectra by navigating to the Spectra Pro settings. First, select Blocks/Extensions from the menu at the top. Here, you can activate or deactivate various blocks and extensions. We recommend activating all by clicking the Activate All button. Next, click on AI, Artificial Intelligence, features to access Spectra's AI-powered features. They offer a free version, but it has some limitations. However, to access it, click on Get Started to sign up for an account with ZipWP. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. You are all set up. Unleash your creativity. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Check out our video on Getting Started and Using Spectra, where we provide a comprehensive overview of its capabilities. Check out the link below. In this tutorial, we've gone through the installation and setup process of Spectra Pro. Here's a quick summary of the steps covered. 1. Install Spectra Pro by uploading the zip file through the WordPress dashboard. 2. Activate the plugin once the installation is complete. 3. Enter your license key under Settings to fully activate Spectra Pro. 4. Manage Spectra's blocks and extensions in the Blocks/Extensions section. 5. Explore Spectra's AI features by signing up. This is optional. Thank you for watching.